Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, somebody decided that he would sue Microsoft for pushing people to move off of Windows 10 and Windows 11. And his main complaint goes with the fact that there could be loss of data and that Microsoft is pushing everybody to have a edge on the AI operating systems, and that, this should not be. And here is the actual document coming from Courthouse News, and it's a certain Mr. Lawrence Klein, which is a plaintiff, and of course, Microsoft Corporation is they are being sued. So this is going to be interesting to see if it goes anywhere. So they're using all sorts of different violations of different, codes of law. This is happening, of course, in California. And, the plaintiff is actually saying that, this move of forcing people to Windows 11 is bad. What they are asking, actually, is that Microsoft continue supporting Windows 10 until a certain level is reached where really now it's time that we move on, which, is probably somewhere declared in this document. This is, here it says, less than a year ago, Microsoft announced it would cease providing support for Windows 10 devices as of October 14th, 2025. Microsoft made the decision, even though Windows 10 users represent more than half of the Windows operating system market share and a substantial number of devices in use today, estimated at around 240 million devices. So the lack of hardware specifications to upgrade to Windows 11, that these 240 million devices lack that possibility. And so he's going on, and he's talking about the price for continuing for individuals, but that's only a year. So it goes on, saying that this shouldn't be. So I will share the link to this legal document if you want to go and take a look at it and see what it has to say. And, of course, I think it'll be worth following. What will be the decision in the end, according to this lawsuit? So we'll see what happens next. But one thing for sure is that Microsoft is going to move fast to try to, get off Windows 10 as quickly as possible, I'm pretty sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and the full document is in the description below.